Friends, how are you all? In today's episode of Moto News, we will talk about a bike that can be quite a game changer in the world of cruiser bikes. We all know that riding a heavy-duty or large-engine cruiser bike is not very easy, especially for beginners. But the Benda Greystone 707EC bike has arrived to change this concept. Let's discuss this bike in detail so that you get the answers to all your questions in this single video. The biggest attraction of this bike is its BeckM3 Electronic Clutch system. Those who get stuck in traffic or at signals with big bikes know how painful pulling the clutch repeatedly is. But here Benda has eliminated that hassle. In this system, you won't have to search for that traditional clutch biting point while starting the bike. Even more interestingly, often when stopping a bike on hilly or inclined roads, we fear whether the bike will roll backward upon releasing the brake. This electronic clutch system prevents the bike from rolling backward. And when you downshift to reduce the jerk that is felt, it features electronic rev-matching technology. Simply put, even if you are a completely new rider, you can easily control this large displacement bike. However, there is good news for older school riders who love controlling the clutch manually as well. If you want, you can turn off this system with just one button and return to manual mode. Speaking of looks, the Benda Greystone 707EC looks like a pure cruiser bike. It has wide forks at the front and a massive 180mm tire at the rear. Due to these large wheels and wide tires, the center of gravity of the bike feels very low, giving the rider a premium and controlled feel. Another wonderful feature is its keyless entry system. There is no tension of searching for keys in your pocket. The system is right beside the seat. You can just twist the throttle and start riding. These small details make riding even more comfortable. Now coming to the main part, the engine. A 691.6cc V-twin engine has been used in it. Its maximum power is 54 kilowatt, which is available at 9,000 revolutions PM, and peak torque is 68 Newton meter, which is available at 6,500 revolutions PM. An astonishing piece of information is that you will get about 80% of its total torque at just 3,000 revolutions PM. This means that even at low speeds, you will get great power, with no need to shift gears repeatedly, and its throttle response is quite direct. Based on your riding style or road conditions, you can choose any of the three modes, and these are rain, street, and sport. In sport mode, the revs climb much faster, and its electronic throttle system works far more precisely than a human hand's touch. Now let's talk about the braking and comfort. When a bike is so powerful, its safety must also be top-notch. Benda has left no gaps here. A 4-piston caliper is used at the front and a dual-piston caliper at the rear, along with ABS as standard, to reduce jerks from road potholes or speed bumps. There are inverted forks at the front and dual spring shock absorbers at the rear. These are set up in a way that you will get a completely smooth feel while riding. Its wide tires grip the road firmly. Especially while cornering, tire feedback can be understood very clearly. However, remember that due to its long wheelbase, it is better suited for riding on highways or long straight roads rather than winding roads. Nowadays, a bike is incomplete without technology. The Benda Greystone 707EC features a 3.6-inch TFT instrument panel. Its brightness can reach up to 800 nits, due to which you will have no problem viewing the display even under harsh sunlight. For those who like long tours, there is a cruise control button. This will reduce strain on your right hand, and combined with the electronic clutch, it allows you to shift gears without holding the throttle. Additionally, it has an QC 30 18-watt fast charging port. Testing shows that it charges as fast as your phone's original charger. So there is no worry about phone battery even with GPS or navigation on. Another important aspect is auto updates. This means that if you need to update any parameters of the electronic clutch, you won't need to run to the dealer. The bike's software will be updated over the internet just like a phone. Finally, let's talk about its price. Its guide price has been set at 26,980 yuans. In this 700cc segment, with modern features like an electronic clutch and electronic throttle, this bike is ahead of many other bikes in the market. For those who wish to ride a big bike but want to avoid the hassle of clutch or handling, this bike can be a great option. Benda claims that over time, through OTA updates using rider data, this clutch system will become even smoother and more comfortable. So friends, this was all the detailed information about the Benda Greystone 707EC. So how did you like this electronic clutch technology? Do you think it should be present in all bikes in the future? Let us know by commenting.